So I was putting the circuit in. See those blue and black wires right there? That's the circuit for the water pump, which is in there. So the water pump is all set. All the plumbing part is all set. I'm getting ready to run the circuits up, and I kind of wanted to set in this fuse panel because it doesn't look like there's, well, I guess there's two fuses. So there's two fuses, but I'd like to have a little more. Anyway, I found out, I checked the voltage on it, and it is putting out 12.5 volts DC, but it also in the DC signal is about 6.5 volts of AC signal. So that's bad. Anyway, so I guess now I'm going to have to replace this power supply with a newer one. And I think since we're already this far, that white right there is the input, and then this right here, see that's my single circuit breaker that runs the 110. So I think I'm going to put a second circuit breaker in and put a 30 amp service in this camper now. It'll just be nicer. So yay, more fun. Okay, so today's we're going to convert this from a 15 amp service to a 30 amp service and add new power supply. That's the temporary power supply there. That's some wood. I'm gonna add that piece of wood right here so we can attach. Eventually there'll be a power supply here. It's going to go outlet, power supply, this fuse panel. That's going to be gone. And then start running outlets. A couple more outlets. So there'll be two over here and one up there and everything. So let's get this done. Alright, I got the shore power hooked up. So the hole is a little big, so I made a patch for it. I'll clean up the butyl tape for it, and we'll be good. Okay, so this is the inside of it. And those are the wires. That's a 10 gauge wire. And that's going to go up to the circuit breaker panel. This is the low voltage 12 volt power supply. And this will be replaced. Okay, so this is the 110 AC circuit run in the closet here. One up there, so we're going to plug a TV on the other side over here. We're going to plug a TV in. Also down here we can run the microwave. I think the microwave is going to live here, and it also gives us option because this is where we're talking about putting the air conditioning unit. Well, it's working again. We got the low voltage power supply working. That's the new one down there. They haven't cleaned up anything yet. Converted it to a 30 amp service and a new 35 amp low voltage power supply. So should be plenty to run everything. All the lights work again, all the outlets work again. Added outlet back there, an outlet up there, and actually added an outlet right there for the power supply. So, yep, everything's working real good now. Now we are gonna add a light right up in this area. It's just kind of a dark spot. So, yeah, we're gonna do that. Anyway, So I'll show you this. So we do this at work. There's a couple zip ties, but most of it is lacing cord. I haven't laced the blue wires up yet. They go up here to the switch. I have to lace those up. But it's nylon and wax cord, like aircraft do. Anyway, so we use that at work all the time, so I thought it'd be kind of cool here. This switch here, which is that 4 switch, I added this, and this runs the water pump. Oh, it works. Yes, it does. A little crusty, but nice. Was not expecting that. That's cool. Okay. So the 3 switches, I haven't determined what they're going to be yet, but the 4th one is definitely the water pump.
It seemed to be okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Just a quick update. This faucet doesn't turn off. It's only on. So that's a bit of a problem. Have to work on that. The one in the bathroom does work good though.